Bonjour les amis, vive le français. So hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. So as you can see, I'm in the shopping mall. And here we came here today because you have the sales. Sales. In French language we say les soldes. Les soldes. Les soldes. Okay? And in France you have the big sale twice a year. You know? So once is the summer sale and once is the winter sale. So les soldes d'été et les soldes d'hiver. And why is that? Because this is all the legislation, the regulation from the government. Otherwise you will have unfair competition. You would have some shop that what they would do is they would decrease the price and say we are on sale on this and that, and then in order to kill the competition and in order to attract the customer there. So it's only limited and you can only do this twice a year. When you look at the sales, what's also very interesting what's also very interesting is you know, the sale will increase. So the first few days, the first few weeks, you have only minus 10%. Then after it will be step by steps, and after 1 week or 2 weeks, then they will say now it's minus 50%. You know, so you see here they were, it's the end. C'est la fin des soldes. It's the end. So you say jusqu'à 60%. Jusqu'à means until 60% sale. And 20% more. 60% means you take the price, you take the original price, so you see there is the original price, and then you calculate minus 60%. So of course, what you have to do is calculate yourself and make sure that they are not going to cheat you, because you have to be wary. Sometimes the people who work in the shop, not in the whole shop, what they will do is they will give you the original price and calculate, and then they will make a small mistake. You're not going to check. Many customers are not going to check, and this way they can keep the money for themselves, and they can make a lot of money for themselves. The salespeople from the shops. So this is what I was telling you. So you can see here, moins 50%. And then here they write deuxième démarque. It means the second time that they were, okay, second time. So soldé 65, and then they write it. So you need to calculate. Over there, here there is something they say here, you can see. Nouvelle démarque. Nouvelle démarque. Tout à moins 50%. Moins 10% supplémentaire des 3 articles achetés. So here you have two, which is even more complicated to calculate. You have two different sales. One of them is everything is minus 50%. So you buy something, it's minus 50%. But then if you buy 3 items, then you have an extra 10%. So they will have this, which means it becomes very complicated because you have to calculate. Okay, I bought already this and this, and now I have a third one. So it's minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, and then on the total I have another minus 10%. So you have to calculate this, and this is of course a strategy. It's a marketing strategy. Here, so you have to keep counting this. What many people do for the sales in France, they will come a few days before, and then they will check. I want to buy this, and I want to buy that. You know. And this one is a dernière démarque, the last one. Dernière démarque. Démarque means they go down on the price. And here they will write troisième démarque. So it means it's the third time that they go down. And this one they write until minus 70%. 70%. And here an extra 10% if you buy 3. You know, if you buy 3. Okay. And so that's why you have so many people. Today who are shopping. Is the weekend, people don't work, so they all come here to shop. So what people will do before the sale, they will come there and they will have a look, what do I want to buy, and then the opening day of the sale they will come there and they will rush and they will go and buy the things that they want to buy, you know. Another thing that some people they will come there after the deuxième démarque ou troisième démarque. So now it's going to be minus 50%. There are really some good deals, and in fact you can really benefit from very cheap price. Now people are really many French people are more careful with their budget, so they will be very wary how much money they are going to spend. So they are going to save as much as they can, and they are going to come here for the sales. They are not going to cut so much. Most people won't cut much on the food. The food, I think most French people are going to spend a lot on the food, but they will cut down on the clothes. However, what they will do is shop everything during the sales. Also, you have people who do this as a business. So they come here, they wait for the sales, they buy all that they want, and then they will sell to some other place and some other people, and then they can make a small margin for themselves. Especially now in today's in the global world, you have the same brands everywhere. So you can have the same items everywhere, but it will be a much cheaper price, you know, if you buy here as compared to some other country. So you have to compare, you know, you have to compare. Okay, and that's what I want to tell you today. And for the shops, it's also a commercial strategy. So you have some shops, so you go there and you think, oh, that's very good. This is on sale. I will get a very good deal. But in fact, there will be only a little part, only a few items that will be on sale, and all the rest will be the new collection, la nouvelle collection, so the right nouvelle collection. And then you need to be very careful because they say on sale, and you come, oh, and in fact, everything that they have on sale, it doesn't suit you, it's not very nice. And then you will buy something from the new collection, so they are going to make money. Usually, why they do the sale like minus 60%, 70%? It's because they need to get rid. They need to have the turnover. They need to get rid of everything. Then they need to have the new collection come in. You know. So one sale will happen in July, and the other one I think is in October each year. Yeah, that's what I want to tell you today about this. Let me leave you for now. Donc, à bientôt les amis. Et voilà.